Hey everyone! Are you tired of feeling sluggish and struggling with stubborn belly fat? What if I told you there's a simple, natural drink you can make at home that can clean your arteries and help you lose that belly fat? Sounds amazing, right? Stick around, because in today's video, I'm going to share the secret recipe that not only boosts your heart health but also melts away belly fat. Plus, I'll reveal a special tip at the end that you definitely won't want to miss. Trust me, you're going to love this. Let's dive in. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our health tips and wellness secrets. We're all about helping you live your healthiest, happiest life. Today, we're tackling two critical aspects of our health: artery health and belly fat management. Why are these so important? Well, keeping your arteries clean and healthy ensures proper blood flow, reducing the risk of heart disease and other serious conditions. And let's face it, we all want to get rid of that stubborn belly fat. It's not just about looking good. It's about staying healthy and feeling great. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this amazing drink. First, we'll dive into the ingredients and uncover their powerful health benefits. Then, I'll guide you through the simple step-by-step preparation process. After that, we'll discuss how this drink works to clean your arteries and help with belly fat reduction, backed by scientific evidence and real-life testimonials. And remember to watch till the end for a special tip that will enhance the drink's effectiveness even more. Ready? Let's get into it. Here are the ingredients and their benefits. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, aids in digestion, and helps detoxify the body. Ginger, anti-inflammatory properties, improves blood circulation, and aids in digestion. Honey, natural sweetener, antioxidant properties, and helps in weight management. Green tea, high in antioxidants, boosts metabolism, and helps burn fat. Apple cider vinegar, helps lower cholesterol, improves heart health, and aids in weight loss. Preparation and best way to consume. To prepare this powerful drink, start by boiling some water and brewing a cup of green tea. Once your tea is ready, add freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon. Grate a small piece of ginger and stir it into the tea, followed by a teaspoon of honey to naturally sweeten it. Finally, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and mix everything well. Let the drink cool to a comfortable temperature. For the best results, consume this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Consistency is key, so make it a daily habit to maximize the benefits for your arteries and belly fat reduction. Health benefits. This drink is a powerhouse of health benefits, combining ingredients that work synergistically to improve your overall well-being. Lemons, rich in vitamin C, not only boost your immune system but also aid in digestion and help detoxify your body. Ginger, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, improves blood circulation and digestion, reducing inflammation that can contribute to arterial plaque buildup. Honey, a natural sweetener, is packed with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and support weight management by reducing hunger pangs. Green tea is a well-known metabolism booster, thanks to its high concentration of antioxidants like catechins, which aid in fat burning and enhance cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that green tea consumption can lead to significant reductions in body fat, especially in the abdominal area. Lastly, apple cider vinegar is a potent ingredient known for its acetic acid content, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, improve heart health, and aid in weight loss. Research published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that consuming apple cider vinegar can lead to a significant reduction in body weight, BMI, and visceral fat. Together, these ingredients not only help clean your arteries by reducing plaque buildup and improving blood flow but also assist in shedding stubborn belly fat, making this drink an excellent addition to your daily health regimen. For even better results, pair this drink with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Regular physical activity, such as walking, running, or yoga, can amplify the benefits and help you achieve your health goals faster. Consider drinking plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Adding this drink to your morning routine can set a healthy tone for the rest of your day, keeping you energized and motivated. While this drink is generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to start with small amounts to see how your body reacts, especially if you have any allergies or pre-existing medical conditions. The acidity of lemon juice and apple cider vinegar can potentially erode tooth enamel over time, so it's wise to drink it through a straw and rinse your mouth with water afterward. If you have gastrointestinal issues, consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating this drink into your daily routine, as ginger and apple cider vinegar can sometimes irritate sensitive stomachs. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always best to seek professional advice when making significant changes to your diet or health regimen. So there you have it. By incorporating this simple yet powerful drink into your daily routine, you're taking significant steps towards cleaner arteries and a slimmer waistline. Let's quickly recap. We discussed the amazing benefits of lemon, ginger, honey, green tea, and apple cider vinegar, how to prepare the drink, and the best way to consume it for optimal results. Remember, consistency is key, and pairing this drink with a healthy diet and regular exercise will maximize its benefits. I encourage you to give this drink a try and see the positive changes for yourself. Don't forget to share your experiences and results in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness secrets. Together, let's continue our journey towards better health and a happier life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.